It's a great opportunity for us to get some experience out here. We're always looking for places to expand out and get some new product out into a different market that we don't really have a lot of equipment out in this area right now. I mean, they come here to learn and to look at the new things. They're not looking at everything else. It's more focused in on their operation and strip till only. Just having the speakers and having the ability to showcase some equipment here for all the farmers to take a look at and put their hands on tools, and getting some guys that have been doing it for years all get together to network and to talk amongst themselves. Just a rapid till, we've had it for 6 or 7 years now. We haven't changed the design for much. It's proven. We're looking in the future to do some changes to it, but nothing right now. It's just trusted, tried and trusted, you know. So that's kind of, nothing really different with it. So everything's still pin adjustable on everything. So this our rapid till. It has, everything is pin adjustable on it. It's about 20 horse per row on average. All bearings are triple sealed bearings. There's only 2 different bearings on the whole entire machine. You can pull it 10 mile an hour, 8 inches deep. It's just very simple, very simple. Built by farmers for great turnout, a lot of interest. People that are really to expand their operation and get the most bang for their buck with low prices on commodities. I don't know if you could put a price tag on the value. I mean, it's just, no matter what, you know, it's just a great experience being able to talk to them and see their perspective on their area versus our area.